In 2014, Midea invested 1 billion RMB to initiate a smart manufacturing revolution. At the Midea household air conditioner plant,
800 robots have already replaced 24,000 operators.
Highly precise operations ensure consistent and reliable quality. The plant has a leading automatic air conditioner production line that includes many firsts of the industry. The industry's first automatic half-pipe ducting equipment with a 100% pass rate that can produce 6,000 sets a day. The country's first unmanned assembly line for remote controls with 6 robots finishing one piece in 7 seconds with a 100% pass rate. The first compressor smart assembly line that automatically scans and verifies barcode information to ensure zero error. The CCD image testing that detects scratches at millimeter level to ensure truly flawless products. The production of the motherboard, which is the brain of the air conditioner, showcasing Midea's smart manufacturing. Currently, production segments such as part production, indoor and outdoor unit assembly, quality control, and warehousing are already automatic. The improvement in automation can enhance the overall production efficiency and product quality. This is only the beginning of Midea's smart manufacturing. In the following 3 years, Midea will continue to invest 5 billion RMB to upgrade automatic production system. By the end of 2018, all 6 major plants in the country will apply automatic production, and IT system will be refined to complete the evolution from automatic production to smart manufacturing. As a pioneer of the industry, Midea continues to stand at the forefront of innovation. Innovative technologies, Midea Air Conditioners.